Question 3, this is a nice one. Finding the stationary points. So differentiating, so the cosh is just going to the shine, and the shine is just going to the cosh. And because we want the stationary points, we want this to equal 0. So we're just getting the shine take away the cosh is equal to 0. Divide it all through by cosh will get you 12 tanh minus 1 equals 0. And so we've got that the tanh is equal to a 12th. Now we can't just use the calculator to do that, because it does say exact. So the formula for the inverse is it's a half the ln of 1 plus this, so 13 over 12, and 1 minus this, so 11 over 12. So we have a half the ln of 13 over 11. There's the x value. Now the y value is going to be fun as well. I've tried to have a little play with this and see if I can stick in the calculator, but it doesn't give exact numbers. So we have actually got to put it back in this original thing here at the top here. So what do we got? We've got 12 lots of, now a cosh. A cosh is a half e to this thing plus e to the minus this thing. We've also got, that half should be around all of it, of course. We've also got a half of e to the this thing minus e to the minus this thing. So I won't write all those bits out again there. We'll know what they mean in a second. So look at this. There's a half here between the e and the ln. I'm going to put that up there, which will make it a square root. The e and the ln will then cancel out. So I've got 13 over 11 square rooted here, plus now the negative power will flip that upside down, so that's the square root of 11 over 13. I've got the over 2 coming out here as well. So then a half here. Now this bit here was the square root, let's get this right, this was the square root of 13 over 11, and this time minus the square root of 11 over 13. Right, okay, let's look at the 11 over 13s here. So we've got 12 halves of them. I'm not going to change that to 6 because I've got to take away 1 here. So I've got 11 over 2, the square root of 13 over 11, and then plus, no, do I mean 11 over 2? Just checking. No, that's 12 add 1, that's 13 there. Don't go wrong. And then I've got 1 take away the other one there. So I've got 11 over 2, the square root of 11 over 13. Oh, it's gone wrong, isn't it? Why has it gone wrong? It's gone wrong because there's a minus. It's a copy error. There's a minus there. That's what you get for watching this live. So look, that is 11 over 13 there. 11 over 12, 2 there. 13 over 2 there. Now let me have a think about that as well. Yeah, okay. Take the factor of a half out of all of this. And we've got 11 root 13 over root 11 plus 13 root 11 over root 13. Now that and that are going to cancel, leaving us with root 11 root 13 plus another root 13 root 11. There's 2 of those cancelling with that. So what are 11 13s? 143, isn't it? So I think I've got root 143. So my answer is the x coordinate is a half ln 13 over 11, and the y coordinate is root 143. Sorry about the error, the plus minus error there, happens to all of us. There was a lot to think through there, and I think that is right.